Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never, ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there, and remember, do it Mango. And what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's XRP, aka Ripple, analysis video. Now, just a quick heads up, I did wrap up a video on Ethereum, and Ethereum is looking freaking phenomenal right now. Okay, in my opinion, I think it is, it's definitely leading the pack as far as the high MCAP coins are concerned. Okay, Ethereum is on an absolute tear, and in that video, I give you guys some fresh targets for ETH because it is in price discovery, right? So for those of you who are interested in Ethereum, I will link that video above. Okay, so just a quick heads up on that. Now, in today's agenda, I will first be starting off with the Mango dashboard, and then I'll be getting on over to the charts. So without further ado, let's get in. Now, I'm currently on the 12-hour time frame. Let's go ahead and filter out XRP from this list. Also, guys, just backspace a bit. Notice how everything is green right here. Every freaking thing is green. All of it is bullish, long trend changes across the board. And look at the returns on this. Beautiful. Okay, XRP. Now, XRP USDT on the 12-hour time frame, guys, gave us a bullish long trend change, which came in about 4 days ago. Okay, and if you managed to catch trade on this, you are currently up a good 14% already. And I did do some preliminary analysis today, and I think that XRP closed extremely well on the weekly time frame. Okay, so in my view right now, this may look like it's just about beginning something. XRP BTC also gave us a bullish long trend change, which also came in about 4 days ago. Okay, and if you caught a trade on this, you are currently up a good 6.79% against Bitcoin. Now, what's the difference between the two? It really depends on your goal. Are you here to collect Bitcoin, or are you here to collect USD? And accordingly, you look at the pair that applies to you. Okay, Bitcoin will essentially tell you how a coin is trending against Bitcoin. XRP USDT will tell you how XRP is trending against USD. Alrighty, now getting on over to the charts, I'm currently on the weekly time frame. We did open up a brand new weekly candle today, and I'll say this, it is looking bloody bullish. Okay, let's first go ahead and put on our Ichimoku cloud. I'll do it one step at a time, break it all down, Krisha, break it all down. Switch off all the horizontals for now. Okay. Gonna zoom out of this. What I see here is the cloud is green, telling us that, hey, bulls are in control. Price is over the cloud. Brilliant. We have that bullish TK cross between the Tenkin and the Kijun that is still being maintained even after this dip, guys. Okay, this was a 26% dip that came in around 2 weeks ago. This is when the entire market took that pullback, right? And we saw XRP also follow suit. Now, also notice the 21 EMA aggressively climbing up to price. I mean, just look at the slope on that. Let's also put on the 10 SMA. 10 SMA as well is climbing up to price. That bullish crossover setup between the 10 and the 21 is still intact as well. All right, now this is the picture. This is your ideal picture you want to see on the Ichimoku cloud if you're trying to assess whether or not an underlying cryptocurrency, or hell, even an underlying asset is bullish. Is it in bullish territory? This is the setup that you're looking for. Okay, now as far as the close is concerned, or rather the open, I should say, I'm going to clear out the chart now of the Ichimoku cloud, and now I'm going to put on my horizontals. Because I'll tell you what exactly I was looking at in order for me to really gauge whether or not XRP closed bullish. I was looking at this range here. Okay, I'm going to sort of just zoom into this price action. Cool. Look at price ticking up right now, guys. Okay, so I was looking at this range here, which came in from $1.38, going all the way up to $1.43. This was a range of resistance that was playing out on XRP's chart. Okay, now the past 3 weeks, we actually closed either under or within the range. This week of 19th of April, when the entire market saw a sell-off led by Bitcoin, we saw XRP also take a dip. And now this is something that Sean and I, we both keep warning you guys about, right? If the chart is volatile, now XRP's chart, the signature, the primary signature on this chart, guys, it is that it is a volatile chart. When it goes up, it gives you these amazing pumps to the upside. right? Now, this candle alone, this came in on 5th of April. This candle alone, guys, was a good 113%. 113%. Okay, so when you see these kind of this kind of volatility on the chart, it applies that when you see the pullbacks, you're going to see the same kind of volatility to the downside. Okay, and that's why, notice where the next region of support came in at. It only came in at 92 cents. Okay, this was a good 26% to the downside. This was a good 26% sell-off, all going all the way down to the next region of support that came in at 92 cents. Price got picked up from here, okay, only for us to close the last weekly candle well over that range of resistance, as well over the previous weekly high. Okay, now that is a bullish close. That's what we were looking for. Now, why were we looking for that? Because if I just zoom out of my chart now, okay, remember I'm on the weekly time frame, and I look at those last bull market signatures, or rather when we were starting the last bear market, and I zoom into this price action right here. Notice this entire region where price actually got rejected off of that region of resistance, and then we saw follow through to the downside. That was that was the beginning of the bear market. But also, if I just fix my scale there, you guys need to understand that now, okay, with what XRP has done, the next region of resistance, or rather the next target on this chart, only comes in here. Okay, comes in at around $2.77, going all the way up to the highs, which came in at around $3.30. Well, let me tell you something, guys, that is not going to be an ordinary target for XRP. From where price is at currently to the first region, which is at $2.77, that is a good 70% to the upside. 70% to the upside still, okay? And then from where price is at to the topmost point, okay, that marked the last bull market, which comes in at $3.28, that is a good 103% to the upside. So these are really, really nice chunky ranges to be had right now for XRP. Okay, now I'm also going to get on over to the 4-hour time frame because I noticed a certain pattern that was playing out. Okay, and I do believe that we have broken out of that pattern. What was playing out here was a very neat head and shoulders pattern. You guys see it? I'm not sure. I know that a few people caught it. Not everyone caught the inverted head and shoulders on XRP, but this was it right here. Okay, and we saw a beautiful, beautiful break to the upside. I'm also now going to go ahead and look at the measured move of that head and shoulders pattern. That will likely give us an immediate target to the upside. Okay, plotted on the break. The measured move for the 4-hour head and shoulders pattern, guys, comes in at $2.07. Okay, and we can see price actually flagging here even on the 4-hour time frame. We start taking out these wick highs right here. I'm saying that this is likely going to make the next move to the upside. From where price is at right now to the measured move of that head and shoulders pattern, that is going to be another good 28% to the upside. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of meat to be had. What's really important about this current chart is what is happening, the way price is unfolding on the weekly time frame. How that last candle closed on the weekly time frame is painting the story for us right now. It was a bloody bullish close. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled on continuation for this chart because that's essentially what I personally will be looking at. Okay, the next major target, guys, remember, only comes in at $2.77 if we are going off of historic price action, and it is going to be a volatile range for XRP. Okay, so this chart, guys, freaking bullish. The bulls are in control here. Now let's get on over to XRP BTC because I want to see what XRP BTC is doing on its chart. Oh my God, Krisha, it is messy. Notice I love my arrows. In fact, my high school mascot, I can't even call it a mascot, it was an arrow. We were the arrows. It was lame and cool all together. But okay, XRP BTC on the weekly time frame. Now, I like the weekly close on this too. Notice what happened here. Okay, we closed over a major point of resistance, which we had been getting resisted off of for since, what was this? December of 2020. Okay, Now, we just took it out once again. The last time we closed over, notice where we got up to. We got all the way up to this region right here, which came in at 4,300 sats. Okay, 4,300 sats. We have closed once again over that region. Now, with the way things are unfolding on this chart right now and with what Bitcoin is doing, okay, we need to understand that Bitcoin too took a leg to the upside in the last couple of hours. I think that we may very well see a bit of resistance right around here. Okay, this comes in at 2,975 sats. However, as soon as we even start closing 4 to 12 hour candles over this region, I will be looking for continuation on XRP, getting all the way up to 3,597 sats at the very least. From where price is at right now to that next point at 3,597 sats, that is a good 28% against Bitcoin. Okay, remember, you are likely playing this chart if your goal in this market is to collect Bitcoin. If your goal is to collect USDT, then you're better off playing the USDT pairing. I'm going to break it down for you very, very simply. I think it's very it's important that people understand the dynamic between the ETH-USD pairings as well as the ETH-Bitcoin pairings and how it all really comes together. Okay, there's no one right pairing to be trading. It really depends on your goal. So this is looking good. I like the weekly close. I think we're likely first going to get up, test at the very least this region of resistance that comes in at 2,975 sats, which I've marked with that green horizontal. As soon as we start living over 2,975 sats, the next region only comes in at 3,582. So far, XRP on both pairings, guys, is looking absolutely phenomenal. The bulls have taken over here. Okay, there's going to be a lot more oomph left on XRP, at least even relative to many of the high M caps, because what we need to understand here is that unlike many of the other high M caps, XRP has yet to reach its region of price discovery. Okay, it's nowhere close. Think about it, even the USD pair, you still have a good 70%, 100% hull before we actually get to price discovery, right? So keep your eyes peeled on this one. There's going to be a lot of opportunity here. Now, this is all I have for you for XRP. With this, guys, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao.